Hey y'all, it's Mary and Smudge, and we have day 14 of the Advent calendars. So day 14, we have the Merry and Bright collection from that I bought at PetSmart. And I'm looking really quick, where is day 14? I see it, okay. Here is the calendar, and here is day 14 down here. Let me see if I can get it open. There's a lot of jingling going on in this. Oops, oh, we've got another ball. Now, they've sent us a lot of these balls. Now this one's a little bit different. It's not that meshy kind. This one would stand up to more pressure if I were to step on it, probably. You like that sponge? Man, that's pretty, isn't it? They've been liking the balls, and you know, of course they're fun. I'll put that down on the table. And then I have this fabulous Macy's 25 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar that I got from Laura the Bargain Hunter and Cece's Trail Size Life. And day 14 is over here. So let me open it up and see what we have in here. Oh, this is a little thing like this. Let me put this down. And oh, this is Kyle's. Is it Kyle's or is it Kiehl's? I think it might be Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. Kiehl's is a very fine brand, and this is a 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula for healthy looking skin with glyco something or other in there. So that's that. Okay, here comes blue. Let's see. Okay, Smudge. I mean blue. Wrong cat. You want to see the ball? Want to see the ball? Yeah. Okay, you'll have to sit down or something. They just do not understand spatial stuff. Okay. Blue, go on through, love. I can't open this, y'all. Okay, come on. He's gonna sit on that ball like an egg. Okay, this is very, very creamy, y'all. Very, very rich and creamy. I have tried some of this brand's products before. It is a bougie brand. We get it somewhat rarely in the different boxes, but it is a really nice brand, so I'm excited to try this. I love these sizes for traveling, for weekends, to leave at my desk, things like that, because they're just easy to throw in your purse, like I said, and just carry with you. So thank y'all for stopping by and seeing our Advent calendar, and maybe the boys will play a little bit if they won't cover the whole screen. You like that, Blue? Y'all have a great day and count your blessings. Yeah, you like that? That's pretty, isn't it? They just look wore out. Look wore out. After they eat, they're just, when I get home and I feed them, yeah, they get wore out. They sleep all day while I'm gone. That's the truth. That's the truth. And then I come home and they zip through the house and get fed, and then they zonk out again. So, yeah, you like that? We'll see if they'll play, okay? Y'all, thanks so much for stopping by. Count your blessings.